Layer 4 syllabication. Alright, first step, find and label the vowels. Oh, there's a digraph. Draw a bridge. Label the consonants on the bridge. And now divide your word. There's a VCV pattern. So we're going to draw right here. Label the syllable types. This would be a vowel team. And this would be a digraph. First syllable C, second syllable saw, seesaw. Okay, next word. Find and label your first two vowels. Draw a bridge. Label the consonants on the bridge. I also see a magic E down here. So I'm going to draw my arrow. I'm going to scoop the TR and label the consonants, the vowels rather. Draw a bridge connecting, and we have a consonant and another consonant. And now we're going to divide at the VCCV right in between the two V's. Then we have a CVC. We're going to draw right here. And then we're going to label the syllable types. That will be closed. That will be closed. And this would be the magic E. Concentrate. Alright, moving to the next one. Find and label your vowels. And we have a digraph here. Let's see the vowels. Draw a bridge. Label your consonants. And we have the VCV pattern. Let's divide our word. Label our syllable type. This is open. And we have a digraph here. That's profound, profound. The next word, let's find and label our vowels, first two vowels. Draw a bridge, label our consonant. Okay, let's find our next vowel, label it, draw a bridge connecting those, and label our consonants on the bridge. And we have a VCCV pattern, so we would draw a line. First, let's go back here to majestic and divide our syllables. We have a VCV pattern, so let's draw our line here. And we have a VCCV, so let's draw our line in between the two consonants. That was open, so let's make this one a dotted line instead. Open, this is closed, and this is closed. And that would be majestic. No, that's not right. So let's change that to here. Majestic. Majestic. Okay, so we'd have to change that to close. Now, majestic. That doesn't sound right, so let's make that a... Let's get rid of that one and make that a schwa. Majestic. That sounds better. Majestic. Okay, our next word... Let's find our vowels, label them, draw a bridge, label our consonants. We have a bossy R down here. Draw a bridge connecting. Label our consonants, and let's divide our syllable. Draw in between the two consonants. Let's label this open. Closed, and bossy R. Cylinder, cylinder. And our next word, oh, at the end I see a suffix. And I also see the CLE pattern. And this is closed, CLE, and a suffix, and that will be gentleness, gentleness.